पाता है महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीग. It's time for match number 17. Raigad Royals taking on the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. The RR taking on CSK. At the toss it was the Raigad Royals skipper who won the toss and chose to bowl first. We'll have a look at the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. Leading them, Murtuza Trankwala, there's Om Bhosle, Onkar Khatpe and Hitesh Walun. That's the starting 11 for the RR. Siddeshveer, Vishant More, the captain Naushad Sheikh and Sunil Yadav. There we go. The openers, Om Bhosle and the skipper, Murtuza Trankwala. For the Raigad Royals, it's going to be Nikhil Kadam. Start proceedings. Nikhil Kadam to Om Bhosle. Quick call given, early call, and yes, that's what the batters will be happy with. Overthrow. Is there a gift coming in the form of a boundary? Oh yes, so 5 runs to start. Oh, goes for the big one. What a start. Long, oh, the fielder at mid-wicket, 6 runs. Pull, and there's no fielder. 4 runs to end the over. Goes big and connects well. Is it going long? Certainly.
Wow! Wow! Moved outside the off stump. Timed it beautifully. Opened the face of the bat. Brilliant shot. He knew where the fielder was.
And this time it's Trankwala. He says enough of the big ones. Not quite timing it, but still in the gap. Will get a boundary. Great start to the first ball of the last over of the power play.
Class.
Oh, he has bowled this on the leg side. A gentle full toss.
बढ़िया खेल के नजाकत से खेला ये ट्रंकवाला ने. चौका बटोरा. बढ़िया. जो ट्रंकवाला ने खेला यहाँ पर ओम भोसले. भाई आप भी खेल सकते हो, मैं भी खेल सकता हूँ.
Catch it is the call. Fielder there. Easy as they come in the timeout. That is what was discussed. And we have seen so often after a timeout.
ट्रंकवाला ने अच्छी बारी खेली 44 रन की और 75 पर 1 CSK.
Onkar Khatpe, the new man in. 217 runs.
Shot his delivery first, ball and he's gone. What a start for Sunil Yadav. He could have asked for moon today and he would have got it. That's been the impact of the very first delivery that he's bowled, and he's got the big wicket here.
Rare failure for Khatpe. Has to depart, just scoring that 1 run. 76 for 2 now.
Digvijay Patil, been one of the form batter this season. This time plays it over covers, and that's the 6. I just called it. Oh! Appeal, huge appeal, and it's been given. Trapped right in front. Digvijay Patil was struggling out there, and you could sense something was going to give here.
Well, on the previous occasion, Digvijay Patil was beaten with that googly, and you could sense another googly was coming. The dangerous Digvijay Patil departs for 3, 94 for 3.
Digvijay Jadhav replaces Digvijay Patil.
Digvijay Patil right in the middle. Lone battle being fought by Om Bhosle. Carves out that boundary. Half chance, the skipper there. And Om Bhosle will take that boundary and a well played 50. One man who's been fighting that lone battle on a surface where the spinners have been dictating terms, but he's been able to go out there and rotate strike and carve out boundaries as well.
In plays that one up Ashley. Goes towards the corner region, and that's a 6. This time again takes a chance, but will end up spooning the catch to Naushad once again in the cars. Easy as it comes.
This time, for surely he was beaten in the air. Digvijay Jadhav departs for 8. It's 112 for 4.
Saurabh Singh is the new batter. 135.4 is the strike rate.
नजाकत से खेले वहां पर ओम भोसले. इस दिशा में बहुत ही बेहतरीन खेलते हैं.
Yes, gets his first wicket. It was about time that he got that. He was creating those opportunities, those wicket-taking opportunities, and finally he gets his first.
सौरभ सिंह एक रन बना के है पैवेलियन में.
Shams Qazi is the new batter, a strike rate of 131 this season. Nicely driven. No fielder there. Oh, bowled him. Shams Qazi has been castled here by Manoj Ingle. And a very good ball, especially in the death overs, where he picks up his first wicket.
शम्स काजी आउट होकर पैवेलियन में.
129 for 6 are the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, and an impact player now. Who is it going to be? Saurabh Singh has been substituted, and Swaraj Chavan is the impact player.
बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर लॉन्ग ऑन की दिशा में. चौका मिला है, मिसफील्ड किया.
Nicely bowled, a good start. Om Bhosle calls for a single, and Manoj Ingle hits that directly at the non-striker's end as hard as he could, and he hits it directly on the stumps, and that's where Raigad Royals get another wicket.
यहाँ पे सौरभ चौहान रन आउट होकर पैवेलियन में वापस.
Anand Tenge is the new batter, but he'll be at the non-striker's end.
बढ़िया शॉट. चौका मिलेगा ओम भोसले को. ये शॉट मैं ये बोल रहा था, ये यहाँ पर फील्डर पीछे होना चाहिए.
Nicely bowled. It could be another run out at the non-striker's end. We'll just wait for what the third umpire has to tell us.
और मुझे लगता है आउट है. नाबाद बारी.
That is out. That's the 8th wicket down. Anand Tenge run out for 0. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings have scored 146 for the loss of 8 wickets. 147 to win for the Raigad Royals.
Start action. Siddesh Veer, one of the heroes with the ball, steps out to bat. Pranay Singh, and the other batter is the skipper, Naushad Sheikh. The second innings just about to get underway. Pranay Singh. Very first delivery, played fantastically. Starts off with a boundary.
Beautifully played on that occasion.
Widest delivery, plays that one over the short third man. And the ball wins the race. Shifting in his line, but the short fine leg fielder will not be able to cut it off. Time dances down the track, and this time goes over the cow corner. Oh, clean ball! What a delivery! What a comeback! But Pranay, perfect delivery. He strikes.
Now then, what a comeback delivery. Naushad goes back to the pavilion after scoring 11, 26 for 1.
The former skipper for Raigad Royals, Vishant More.
Something like that. But if you can connect like that, that short arm jab has gone deep.
Oh, again. Is that it? Yes! He's been given out. Vishant More has been dismissed. He walks away, dejected, disappointed. He's still talking to the umpires.
Vishant More departs for 2, 36 for 2.
Second wicket's just fallen. The new man in for Raigad Royals, Mehul Patel.
कदमों का इस्तेमाल. क्या डिस्टेंस मिला है? 6 रन.
Short ball, first ball, gift given, gift accepted.
Wickets is what they need, but beautifully placed there on that occasion.
Oh, nicely hit right in the gap. But Siddesh Veer completes his half century with this single. Wants to come back for the second. Sent back by Siddesh Veer, Mehul Patel. But 50 on the board, his second of the Maharashtra Premier League. A good knock, fighting knock of 50 of just 43 balls.
Really well played.
Yes, he connects this and connects it really well. A good finish to the over.
Again dancing down the track. Goes up, right up in the air and right behind the side screen. Just as we were talking about him, Siddesh Veer Bold walks off the field, dejected, disappointed. Thenge gets his man.
Yeah, he was losing his concentration, or did he have a message from the dugout that go after the bowlers?
Thenge strikes. Siddesh Veer walks off for 61. The new man in is Rishabh Rathod. Strike rate of 151. Ram played that one straight down the ground. There's a fielder who'll just watch the ball sail over his head for a 6. Again Apishli. This time, who's getting under it? 3 fielders. Oh! The bowler made a valiant attempt.
Oh! Has he timed it? No! Gone!
Mehul Patel losing control of the shot, straight to deep mid wicket, and an easy catch. That ends Mehul Patel's effort for 42 of 35 deliveries, 131 for 4. It's an interesting time, and we also have an impact player in right now. Sunil Yadav has been substituted by Raigad Royals, and Vedant Patil. Oh, again loses the shape, but will get a 6 there. What a shot! Oh, this time once again, what a delivery by Pranay. He has been accurate with his Yorkers today.
Gone for none. Vedant Patil, 142 for 5.
New man in, Vicky Ostwal. Plays that one up Apishli, over the covers, सीधा long off के हाथ में आपने कहा, बाजी ने कहा, और एक बार फिर एक विकेट आया.
1 रन बनाया ओसवाल ने.
Ravi Jangid, the new man in. इस बार ओ हवा में और शॉट थर्ड मैन पर. क्या बात है. 1 more wicket.
20 रन बनाए ऋषभ राठौड़ ने.
Tanay Sangvi plays that one. What's going to happen there? Will get a single. So that's the victory done for Raigad Royals. A well-deserved win in the end. They win by 3 wickets against Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings.